All right, Jimmy, I have your quad finished up. So the first one I built you broke. Not this frame, but another frame. So you sent it back to me, and I did a frame swap. I also switched out the VTX for a different one. So you had the Unify Pro 32 in there, and I switched it out for the Unify Pro V3, or is it the V3? It's the 5 volt. I don't think that's a V3, but it's the 5 volt, so it's the small one. I love those ones for some reason. I don't know. When they came out with the newer ones after that, they were just like 2 or 3 times bigger, and I'm like, what the hell, man? Because the 5 volt one's so tiny, it fits in many more quads than the bigger ones. So anyway, it's right there on top of the stack. You can get to the button from the side right here. I already unlocked it. So it's unlocked. It's set to 800 milliwatts right now, which you probably wanted on that anyway. So that's what I set it on. But, you know, you can change it to whatever you want. And it's unlocked now, like I said. So this is the cb2.5. It's just like my red one, but it's green. Not the same parts, but let me grab mine actually to kind of compare them. There we go. Awesome frame. I love this frame. I love the carbon, man. It's just so beautiful. Yours is going to be quite a bit more efficient than mine because it has the 1404 6500 kV motors. Mine has the Emax 1108 6000s. 1108s are going to suck the battery down much faster than a 1404. Even though these are higher kV, they're still going to be more efficient than those 1108s. That's what I should have went with on mine. I might switch them out one day too. I'll probably go with the Supermans or something, the 4850s. Maybe try it on 4S or something. But I also added some LEDs. You got LEDs in the back here. They're super bright. Actually, I didn't even look at them yet. Yeah, they're super bright. Damn. Awesome. All right. Everything's the same as your old one, besides the LEDs and the VTX. Your receiver is now in the back here. The bind button's on this side right here. Very easy to access. Right there. Okay. Your buzzer's still in the front there. Everything else is the same besides the VTX. And like I said, the button for the VTX is on this side right there. I'm clicking it right now. Right there. Okay. So let's show the video, do a hover test. This is a 853S. If you were to use a 853S on here, you'd get a pretty good flight time. But 650 would be fine too. Okay, so it's already bound up to my radio. There's your video. Looks good. Nice and clear. Alright, let's make sure it arms. Ooh-wee. Alright. Here we go. Damn, you got the settings down real low. Oh, damn. I can't believe I didn't hit the ceiling on that one. It was like an inch away. I like those LEDs too. I really like white LEDs for some reason. Okay. Yeah, you have the yaw like turned down really low, man. I didn't even want to try to turn. I'd probably crash. But there you go. It is good to go. And I think this frame is going to be quite a bit more durable than the last one. The arms shouldn't break very easily. These arms are really tough. Nice and stiff. You got protection from the TPU on the ends of the arms. Yeah. That's about it. So I'll get this boxed up and shipped out and send you over some tracking. All right, thanks, Jimmy.